Welcome to our state-of-the-art bike factory, where precision meets automation. High-quality steel frames arrive ready for assembly. Every tube is measured and inspected for accuracy.
Frames are cut to exact specifications using CNC machines.
Robotic welders fuse the frame components with precision. AI ensures each weld is flawless and strong. Frames are transported automatically to the painting line. Primer is sprayed evenly to ensure a smooth finish. Every angle is coated perfectly with robotic precision. Frames are baked at controlled temperatures for durability.
Cooled frames are carefully handled to avoid damage.
High-precision gears are ready for assembly. Gears are installed with exact alignment. Brakes are attached and calibrated automatically. Wheels are aligned and secured with precision. Handlebars and seats are positioned for perfect ergonomics. AI ensures every component is in perfect alignment. Lubrication is added for smooth operation.
Bikes undergo rigorous automated testing.
Wheels are tested for balance and performance. Brand logos and decals are applied perfectly. Every bike is checked to meet the highest quality standards. Any defective bikes are immediately diverted for correction.
Packaging is done with automated precision.
Advanced sensors detect even the tiniest flaws. Protective coatings are applied automatically to increase durability. Brakes are checked for exact functionality. Bolts and nuts are fastened with precise torque. Chains are lubricated to reduce friction and wear. Seats and handlebars are aligned for ergonomic comfort. Suspension systems are tested for smooth rides. Tire pressure is verified automatically. Safety lights and reflectors are positioned accurately. Pedals are tested for smooth rotation. Additional accessories are installed automatically.
All components move seamlessly through the production process. Gear systems are adjusted for perfect shifting. Bikes are tested on tracks to ensure performance.
Chain tension is precisely maintained. Protective covers are applied to safeguard parts. Mud guards are installed to prevent dirt splashes. Frames are transported seamlessly to the final assembly line.
Grips are fitted with exact pressure for comfort.
Saddles are secured and tested for stability.
Bikes are tested for handling and shock absorption.
Gear alignment is verified for smooth operation.
The assembly line operates in perfect sync, producing bikes efficiently.
Bikes are transported automatically to the inspection area.
Advanced cameras detect any imperfections instantly.
Wheel spokes are checked for alignment and tension. Gears are calibrated automatically for smooth shifting. Brake cables are tested for proper tension and responsiveness. The factory runs like a perfectly coordinated machine. Tires are examined to ensure even tread patterns. Kickstands are installed precisely for stability. Pedals are rotated to check for smooth movement. Chains are lubricated automatically to reduce wear. Safety reflectors are positioned accurately. Seats are checked for comfort and secure mounting.
Bikes are tested for shock absorption and handling.
Handlebars are verified for perfect alignment.
Additional accessories are added automatically.
Bikes are transported seamlessly to the packaging line.
Packaging is precise, ensuring bikes are secure.
Protective padding safeguards bikes during shipment.
Packed bikes are transported efficiently for dispatch. Each package is tracked digitally for accurate inventory. Boxes are sealed perfectly to protect contents. Labels are verified to ensure correct information. Bikes are stored systematically, ready to reach customers worldwide.
Weight is checked to ensure each package meets standards. Boxes are stacked efficiently for transport.
Pallets are wrapped automatically for safe shipping. Finished products are transported using fully automated logistics. Every shipment is monitored in real time for accuracy.
Fully assembled, ready for riders worldwide.
Reflectors are positioned to ensure maximum visibility and safety.
Brakes are re-inspected to guarantee reliable stopping power. Handlebars are secured to precise specifications for comfort. Each assembly line moves in harmony for maximum efficiency. Bearings are lubricated to ensure smooth rotation. Chains are checked for optimal tension and durability. Mudguards are installed to protect riders from dirt and water. Pedals are tested for smooth and secure operation. Gears are aligned for effortless shifting.
Accessories are added to complete the bike setup.
Fully assembled bikes move automatically to the packaging line.
Padding ensures bikes remain safe during transport.
Boxes are closed and secured precisely for shipping. Each box is logged digitally for accurate tracking. Pallets are organized efficiently in the storage area. Boxes are verified to meet shipping standards. Pallets are secured automatically to prevent movement during transit.
Finished bikes are loaded using fully automated logistics.
Load is balanced for safe and efficient transport. Each shipment is monitored for precision and efficiency. Every bike leaves the factory ready for riders worldwide. From raw steel to fully assembled bikes, every step is precise and automated.
Every component is verified to meet strict quality standards.
Minor adjustments are handled instantly to ensure perfection.
Bikes are stored and shipped efficiently to reach customers worldwide.
Each package is traceable from factory to delivery. Boxes are verified to prevent shipping errors.
The factory operates 24, producing bikes with precision and efficiency.
And that is how bikes are made. Fully assembled, tested, and shipped, ready to ride. Every bike undergoes a final inspection to ensure perfection.
Any minor issues are corrected instantly by automated systems. Brakes are verified one last time for maximum safety. Gears are tested to guarantee smooth and reliable shifting. Safety accessories are installed accurately before packaging. Automated forklifts ensure fast and safe loading. Every shipment is monitored for precision and efficiency. And that's how bikes are made. EGU. Precision, automation, and quality from start to finish. Finished bikes are shipped worldwide, ready to reach riders.
From raw materials to fully assembled bikes, every step is carefully controlled.